You just type in your prompt and boom, your Bing Ads data, your Bing Ads campaign level data, ad group data, search terms, keywords data will all be retrieved right to your fingertips. Hello everybody, my name is Gu and I'm the founder of Adzviser. Today I want to show you how a PPC marketer could potentially use Claude.ai to analyze your Bing Ads campaigns directly within the AI platform. In this process, you don't have to upload or download anything. You just type in your prompt and boom, your Bing Ads data, your Bing Ads campaign level data, ad group data, search terms, keywords data will all be retrieved right to your fingertips. This is all done by our MCP server. Okay. Okay. So before we move on, I want to quickly talk about our Bing Ads connector. Just like most of the other connector services working on Looker Studio, Google Sheets, our Bing Ads connector also offers an array of metrics and then breakdowns. Okay. You could choose to be very implicit with, hey, what is the combination of the metrics or breakdowns that you want from us? Or you can choose to be extremely explicit in your prompt. I want campaign name, I want clicks, I want impressions, I want spend, etc., etc. For the purpose of this demo, let's just do this prompt, okay? What is the campaign level spend and conversions in our demo Bing Ads account in the past 6 months, okay? Let's see what our MCP server will fetch from our Bing Ads connector. Let's wait a little bit patiently as both Claude and our MCP server are doing its thing. Now it's calculating the data range for the past 6 months. Okay, so what did past 6 months really meant? Okay, this is what it really meant by past 6 months, from 2024 November 22nd to today, which is May 22nd, 2025. Okay, and as you can see, this is the campaign level spend and conversion data from our Bing Ads account connected to Adzviser. And okay, I think this should be it. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.